Hello creators, I'm here to invite you to an open collaboration titled Spring Into Jesus DIY Tablescape Decor Collab. Please create a resurrection themed Easter DIY or spring decor DIY or a resurrection themed tablescape for the spring or Easter season. Please use items that you already have in your stash. Repurpose items such as mirrors, glass, wood, fabric, or whatever you have already around your house. Let's try to do this without spending any money. One stipulation: you must use a cross and the name Jesus somewhere in your DIY or your decor or tablescape. We want this to be a spend nothing. The date will be for the upload is March 23rd at 8 p.m. Please don't forget to mention all hosts in your video. Be subscribed to the host channels. Include the links to the hosts in your description box. Use the title hashtag Spring Into Jesus 2021. Please keep your video at least to 15 minutes. The host of this collaboration is Tamara with Lovemybabies Forever, Inez with Wild Things Designs, and Ray from One Way 238, and myself, Creating with Mz Kaye. I'll see you there. Thanks in advance. Hello friends, and welcome to Creating with Mz Kaye. In today's video, I'm going to do a simple DIY. It's going to be a rose gold mirrored tray. It can go on my coffee table. It can go on my credenza. It can even go on my dining room table. So let's give it a try and let's see what we come up with. These are my supplies. I have these two mirrors, which are 12 by 12. I have this 2 pieces of foam board from the Dollar Tree, bling wrap, some rose gold paint, glue sticks, and my glue gun, and my scissors, and that's it. So let's get started.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can
here's my completed tray with a tad bit of styling. If you want to see how I'm really going to style my tray, please watch my rose gold close collaboration video, which will post on March 12th at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look to see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed.